Build Your Brand is the podcast miniseries where I explore how the best brands in the world think differently and act differently on their way to becoming the best. Today, I'd like to talk about what a brand really is. If you lead a professional services firm and you wonder what I mean when I say that your brand has to be able to move the needle for your business or your firm, please understand that when I say brand, I'm not talking about your logo or your colors. I'm not talking about your letterhead. I'm not even talking about your tagline or your slogan. Hi, I'm Jeff from Echo Engagement, and I'm also the host of the Build Your Brand podcast. And when I talk about brand, what I'm talking about is that thing that's at the center of a triangle. On one side of your triangle is your marketing and your business development. On another side is your employee experience, your talent, your culture. And then on the final side of that triangle is your client experience. And your brand is that thing at the center that's holding all three of those things together. If we think about a triangle in terms of geometry, we know that if one side of the triangle is removed, it's no longer a triangle. So you can't pull marketing and business development out of the equation. You can't pull client experience out of the equation. You can't say that employee experience or culture is more important than anything else. If we think about a triangle in terms of a structural element, if there's one side of that triangle that's weaker or one side of that triangle that collapses, the triangle again ceases to exist. So your brand is at the middle. Your brand is what other people say about you when you aren't in the room. So what are you doing to build a powerful, purposeful, professional services brand that supports all three of those sides equally? Hey, it's Jeff again. Thanks for watching another video. You know, the reason that I put these videos together is in hopes that you, as the leader of a professional services firm, can find something in here that will help you build a stronger, more purposeful professional services firm. And to that end, if you found something in this video that you found valuable, don't be afraid to go down and hit the like button. Or even if you want more content like this, if you want more videos like this, go down and hit the subscribe button so that the videos that I create are delivered to you every day. Beyond that, though, if I presented anything in this video that challenged you, or if you heard anything that you have a question about, or even something that you need help with, on the next slide is going to be a link that goes directly to my calendar. Type that link into your laptop, into your phone, whatever it is that you use, and schedule 10 minutes of time where you and I can talk about whatever it is that you need. I'm here to help. Let me answer whatever questions that you have, and let's figure out a way for you to move forward together.